Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. May Allah bless you and continue blessing you always with peace and happiness and all the success in your life. Warmly welcome, dear subscriber, to Elegance in Pixels, your go-to destination for the latest and most sophisticated short haircut styles. So dear viewers, today I gonna show you about different styles of the short haircut designs for the thick hairs. So dear viewers, keep watching my video till end, because today in this video you can get very amazing ideas about your beautiful hairs. Dear subscriber, in this YouTube channel we are here to dedicated to showcasing the epitome of the chic and timeless hair transformation. So dear viewers, whether you are on the verge of a dramatic change or simply want to refine your styles, join me on this journey of self-discovery and sophistication. So please subscribe now and let Elegance in Pixels by your trusted guide to the world of classy short haircut styles. So dear viewers, get ready to unlock your inner elegance one pixel at a time. So dear viewers, keep watching and stay blessed, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.